In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Sites after publishing. Once you've published a site in Google Sites, you're not locked in. You can always go back, change the content, and republish updated versions. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, you need to open Google Sites. The easiest way is to go to your browser and search for Google Sites, then click on the official Google Sites link. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used to create your site. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're in the correct one, or you might not see the site you're looking for. When Google Sites opens, you'll see a dashboard with a list of your existing sites. These can include both published and unpublished sites. Look through this list for the published site you want to edit. If you have many sites, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find it by name. Once you've located the correct site, click directly on its thumbnail or title. This will open the site in the editor, not the public view. Now you're in editing mode. Here, you can start making your changes. You can click on any text to rewrite or format it, drag and drop images, adjust layouts, or add new sections from the sidebar. Take your time to review each page of your site. Navigate between pages using the panel on the left, and make edits wherever they're needed. This is the same interface you used when you first created the site, so all the familiar tools are still there. As you work, Google Sites automatically saves your changes in the background. You don't need to look for a save button or worry about losing your work if you accidentally close the tab or your connection drops. Every adjustment you make is stored as a draft. This means your visitors won't see your edits until you choose to publish them again. When you're happy with your updates, you can use the Publish button at the top to push those saved changes live to your audience. Until then, everything stays safely in the editor for you to review and refine. And that's how you edit a Google site after it's been published. Open Google Sites, select your published site from the dashboard, make your edits in the editor, and rely on the automatic saving to keep your changes safe until you're ready to republish.